Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you pink glowy festive makeup look for any festival. As you know that Navratri, Durgapuja, Diwali, every festival is coming, so we have to prepare for that. So in this video I am trying to giving you idea of everything like jewelry, rings, makeup and all. So let's get started. So yeah, I start the makeup with a clean face. So here I am using deep cleansing milk from Ayur. I am taking a cotton and taking few drops from this cleansing milk and just cleaning my face like this. Don't avoid the neck area also. So yeah, after that I am using Nivea moisturizer, that is very affordable and very effective moisturizer. It makes your skin look soft and makeup will long last. So yeah, I am just applying it all over my face including the neck area and giving it rest of 30 seconds to 1 minute. After that, meanwhile I am using Vaseline petroleum jelly for my lips. To prime my face, I am using here Faces Canada primer. This is pinkish primer and it will give pinkish space to the makeup. So just apply it on, especially on T-zone, then apply it on all over your face including the neck area if you want. Now it's done. Now coming to the foundation. For foundation I am using Milani Conceal Perfect foundation. This is full coverage foundation for any festival, so I am using this, and this is little glowy foundation, but I am also using Makeup Revolution highlighter in this to make makeup more glowy because this is festival season, so we want glowy makeup. Take just 1 to 2 drops and mix it well. And just apply it like a foundation. Apply it in dot motion. As we want full coverage makeup here in the festival season, so I am using this foundation. You can go for any other full coverage foundation, but this is the perfect foundation for festival season. And by the help of this brush, this is kabuki brush, this is flat from front side, and just dabbing it. I'm not dragging it, just dabbing it very softly, very light hand. Here I am not using any concealer because this foundation works well. So yeah, it's done. Now I am using this Lakme compact powder to set my under eyes, especially my under eyes and the areas where I have more oiliness. And dusting off the extra product. Now coming to the eye makeup. For eye makeup, firstly I am using this Camelin eyebrow pencil. First comb your eyebrows, then fill it. Now coming to the eyeshadow, so this is pinkish look, so I am using here peach color to create my crease. I am just using this color with this brush and very lightly creating my crease. Just blend it well because blending does the main job. After this I am taking this shade, this is dark pink shade, and from inner corners of my eyes to the mid of the lid I am applying this shade very lightly, and same with the next eye. Now taking this light, that is baby pink color, on my fingers. With the help of my fingers I am applying it on my eyelid. Now again taking this pink shade, that is dark pink shade, and applying it on below my lower waterline. So it's give you extra dimension to your eyes and your eyes will look bigger. Now it's time for eyeliner. So I am using this eyeliner and making a thin line because this is simple look. You have to just concentrate when you are applying eyeliner because for me this is tough job. For kajal, I am using Maybelline Colossal Kajal and applying it on my lower waterline. Here is the time to apply mascara. So before applying mascara I am using this eyelash curler to curl my eyelashes. Then I am using Maybelline mascara and just rolling it on my lashes so that my lashes will pop up out. Now eye makeup is done. Moving on to the giving dimension to the face. So I'm using sugar palette and taking counter shade from this and just applying it like this. Apply it on your forehead, chin area to give dimension to your face. With this, your face will look thinner and in dimension too. So here for blush, I am using that pink shade from eyeshadow palette which I applied on my lid because I want to give pinkish look, baby pinkish look. So applying it very light hand. So yeah, it's done. It is very light makeup. Now coming to the highlighter, I am using highlighter from the palette of the Sugar and applying it on my high points like my nose, forehead. Now taking the golden shade from the eyeshadow palette and applying it on my brow bone. And again with the help of the brush, I am taking that same golden shade and applying it on my inner corners of the eyes. So face makeup is complete, and for lipstick I am using L18 lipstick, that is from baby pink color. Here I am not applying any lip liner. This lipstick will work well without any lip liner. And for bindi I am using this from this palette. That is also the pink bindi. And yeah, it's done. It's time for jewelry. So I am wearing this. This is a wonderful, beautiful necklace. Yeah, the makeup is complete. So this is the final look. If you like the look, press thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and comment me below for more tutorials, which type of tutorial you want. So till then, bye bye.